Welcome! If you're looking to update your Instagram profile photo using your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to add a new profile picture to your Instagram account right from your browser, making sure your profile stands out with a fresh new look. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Log in with your username and password if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see a menu on the left side of your screen. From here, click on the profile icon. This will take you straight to your personal profile page, where you can view your posts, followers, and all your account details. Next, look for the Edit Profile button. It's usually located near the top of your profile page, right next to your username. Click on Edit Profile, and a new menu will appear with all your editable account information. Here's the important part. You'll notice an option that says Add Photo, or it might say Change Profile Photo depending on the update. Click on Add Photo. A file selection window will pop up, allowing you to browse your computer for the picture you want to use. Take a moment to choose a clear, high-quality photo that represents you best. Once you've found the perfect image, click on it, then hit Open. Instagram will upload your selected photo. Depending on the update, you might be able to crop or adjust the image to fit the profile picture circle just right. Make any adjustments you need, then confirm your selection. That's it. Your new profile photo will now appear on your Instagram profile for everyone to see. Updating your profile picture from your PC has never been easier, and it's a great way to keep your account looking fresh and up to date. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips for making the most of your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new profile photo.